In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the new email template feature in the Paldi Report Manager. First, edit the reporting job and navigate to Delivery Options. Here, you can edit email subject and email body. Once ready, click on Save Template. Choose whether to save the template as private or global. When you save as private, the template will only be visible to you. However, when you save as global, the template becomes available to your entire user group, making collaboration seamless. You can easily edit or delete any template you created. That's it. With the new email template feature, you can save time, ensure consistency, and collaborate effectively.